I've said it's been boring passage. I mean, it's hard to think that it's boring being out here in the Bahamas with this warm weather and beautiful colors and the beautiful Sandy with me. I know but you know what? The winds just aren't enough for me right now. And I like to sail, and I like to push this boat forward with the wind power, and so it's boring for me. Sandy, well, she's fishing and reading books,
fixing lures,
and yelling at me once in a while.
Negative.
Yeah, you just yelled at me because I had my hands on the steering wheel with the gloves.
I didn't yell at you. I said take the gloves off.
That's yelling at me.
Negative. 100% not.
So, yeah. No, it's still a beautiful day out.
The winds are light. I'm gonna go to the front and watch for coral heads. A little to starboard. See this dark area up ahead? Yeah. The dark area here, that's a coral area. So we want to make sure we stay well clear of that. But the blue of the water is just stunning. Stunning. Look at that. John's still talking back there. God. He never stops talking. It's quite beautiful. A little to port. Just a little. Just a little, not a lot. There. There's another dark spot over there, so I want to make sure we're not near that either. It's pretty nice up here. I'm getting a bit of a massage on my back. The sail is flapping. You better keep it into the wind or I'm going to get thrown off the boat because this sail is a lot stronger than me. Yeah.
Hey guys, so it's really hot and sunny out today. I am not kidding you. So we got sunscreens on the Navicula. These are side cover shades that help keep the boat a little cooler, and they zip onto the sail bag. And I know they're black, but that actually helps reduce the sun. Actually, it's like a mesh, and it won't be as hot inside the boat because of that. Yeah, it's really nice out today.
First time this year that they've been put on, actually.
There's almost 400 boats here. We're back in Georgetown. We've cleaned the boat.
Here, let me hold it.
The Navicula needed to be cleaned, like top to bottom. And so today, Sandy spent the morning doing washing the top of the boat with fresh water, getting all that icky salt off. It's unreal.
And all the bird poop.
Here we go. The beautiful Sandy is always being creative for our endings. You know, when we're doing the videos, the endings are the hardest part. I just don't know how to end, like, because it doesn't end. So I just don't know how to say, you know, well, see you next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Blah, blah, blah. You know, thank you for, it's always thank you for watching, guys. And, you know, we appreciate the comments. I just don't know what else to say or how to end these videos. So, you know, maybe it's something I'll get better at someday. But here we go. Look at it. Thank you for watch. ING, hon. It's ING. You're welcome. Look at it. She loves doing this kind of stuff. I mean, it's not a bad place to be doing it. Look at the anchors dragging. She's over there playing in the sand. Okay, so let's see what you've done here, hon.
It's not very centered.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you for watching. Now, for sure. Now, can you put that little guy back in the water?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Thank you for your participation, Mr. Starfish. We found him right there on shore, actually kind of close. He doesn't look the healthiest. Usually they have a lot of color. I think he is dying maybe, or I don't know. We don't know. I'm sure what we did didn't help. So the tide's going out, and what's going to happen is our dinghy is going to be high and dry by the time we get back. Let's go, hon. I'm not going to worry about it.
Did you pull the anchor?
Huh?
Did you pull the anchor?
No, it pulled itself, hon. And I just stuck my foot on it to dig it in.
Okay. Oh, you want your sandals?
Yes, of course. So I put my sand. Oh, I love this. I brought them out together. Okay, out of the bottom of the dinghy. They were side by side. You pulled your sandals out and you never brought mine.
Why do I have to carry yours?
Okay, well, I'm carrying everything else here.
No, you're not.
Unbelievable.
You're carrying
Unbelievable.
your
This
coffee.
is my, there's living proof, guys, that she hates my guts. Yeah, living proof. She hates my guts right there. Hater.